Hi, I'm going to be showcasing the animation system that I've built using Lua in my C++ engine. So in the solution here, the file that I'm using where the code is written is this water.scene.xml. All the Lua code is embedded in each of these objects, so you have all your object data and then you have your Lua init and then Lua update, which updates every frame. So let me just show you how this looks. So once you start here, it's going to start this scene. So over here, if you look, I made it so you can press certain keys and it'll play that specific animations. And this applies to this player object here, which is the ship, which is right over here. So if I play, let's say I press the key 1, it's going to do the move to animation there. And then you can see it also rotates. And it starts to rotate before it reaches its destination. What's happening there is that's the trigger. The trigger basically will stop any serial commands from progressing until it reaches that certain distance from that position. And that it does the rotate after it reaches that position in the serial command. And then the other one is a parallel, which is the move to, and as you saw, it has the ease in time and the actual time. So if I press the 1 key again here, you can see there's a smooth ease in and ease out. That's using the smoother step function. And the 2 key will also add a follow command. So this follow is the camera follow, and this is actually just lerping to the position instead of using smooth motion. As you can see here, there is no smooth, so it just lerps to that position without smoothing, and it's also doing basically the same thing as before. There's also, with the 3 and 4 keys, I've made it so it runs a curve. So if I zoom out here, I press 3, it's going to do a Bezier curve to the position, and then it does the same rotate from the trigger. So here I've given it the position that I want to go to and then the offset point, and based on that it's going to, and I've also given it this here, which is the ease in ease out time. So if I do that again, you can see here there's an ease in and ease out based on the curve, and then this would be the offset point somewhere here, and it follows that curve. So if you want to put the camera back to normal, you can press the 9 key and that'll orient it back to this terrain, or you can press the 7 key and it'll orient it to look towards this animation that's going on here. So you can see this is also following the same Bezier curve motion, except there's no ease in or ease out there. It's just directly going to these positions. And then this one here is rotating smoothly, as well as moving up and down using the move to commands. But this one here is not rotating with ease in, ease out. This one is just rotating as it goes. And these are also down here. So right here, this is the planet that's spinning, just going up and down and rotating. Or this is actually the planet back there that's rotating. There's another one down here. So this one's moving up and down as well as rotating with an ease in and ease out. And then down here, this is the one following the curve and rotating around the planet, which would be this one. So what's happening in the actual code here is there's these commands here, you can see, and each of these commands are being pushed into these game objects. So the game object has its own command group here, right here, and the command groups basically allow you to add a serial and parallel command that run, and all of these commands do that. So the move to here is moving based on the settings that you give it, and same with the rotate, and using the smoother step function for the ease in, ease out. And then there's the trigger here, which will basically not be done until the distance is reached from the point that you set it. And that's about it. Thank you.